Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices. Now click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now choose Send on this Xiaomi smartphone and Receive on Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro. Following that, tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of those files and send them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this photo. Choose Send and tap on Get It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on M4, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing this camera at the code. But we can also input this code over here and choose Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!